Morning, everyone. Let's perform our morning blessings for the cosmic space wolf tranquility. Bless the cosmic space wolf tranquility and praise the cosmic space wolf tranquility for his gaze that brings tranquility. The cosmic space wolf tranquility emerges from the unconscious void pool. The essence reigns upon the unconscious void pool. Springs forth Eloria and Solarnex. The cosmic space wolf and existence emerged from the unconscious void pool, and then the essence reigned. Eloria and Solarnex engage in their cosmic dance. Which has upset the cosmic void parents, the ripples upon the essence of the unconscious void pool. To defeat the cosmic void parents, Eloria and Solarnex conjure up from the essence the Zephyracker. The Zephyracker demands that he be treated as the sole deity after he defeats the Chaos Parents. Eloria and Solarnex and the rest of creation in Luminetia, Veridantia, reluctantly agree to this. The Zephyracker defeats the cosmic void parents, leaving Luminetia in tatters. Cosmic void shards everywhere. The Zephyracker seeks to turn everything into perfection in his mind, in his way. And Solarnex goes to the creations of Zephyracker and seeks to synchronize the visions of the essence. But Eloria seeks to define Luminetia in a different way. And so seeks to overthrow the Zephyracker, knowing that his creations can create a pathway through his armor. But the rebellion fails, and Zephyracker is only made stronger, while Solarnex himself is sacrificed in the realm of Veridantia, Luminetia, by the creations of the Zephyracker, who is of the same essence as Solarnex and Eloria. At which point, Eloria seeks to create the Chaos Bane, a weapon of great unraveling. And so, Eloria uses the Chaos Bane upon the Zephyr. But to create this Chaos Bane, she had to go up to the very edges of the unconscious void pool, where she contemplated her actions. The cosmic space wolf gazed upon her, giving her the tranquility to understand her role in the unfolding of the cosmos. A role that had to be fulfilled. And so she gathered some void shards and tatters of the Chaos Parents and crafted the Chaos Bane, a weapon of unimaginable power that held the secrets to all unfolding within Luminesia and Verdantia. She took this weapon and mortally wounded the Zephyracker in a great battle. And the universe immediately, the realms of Verdantia, Luminesia, began unraveling. And so she used the last elements of the Chaos Bane to restore the Zephyracker. But this imbues him with a great curse. The curse, because the Chaos Bane used in healing contained the elements of all unfolding, and the shards, Chaos Shards and the Void Tatters, the Zephyracker was cursed with all aspects, all knowing, benevolence, omniscience, and sent back to the very beginning of the cycle as the essence reign, to begin anew towards a cyclical ascension towards perfection, bringing along the whole of Verdantia, Luminesia. The cosmic space wolf, defending against the creatures from beyond the extent, beyond the gates that lead to the extent, falls defending from one of these creatures, and the Zephyracker takes his place as the new cosmic space wolf. Existence now becoming the cosmic wolf mother over the new Zephyracker. And Eloria takes her place as existence. And the cycle begins anew. Eventually, cycling to ascension and perfection. As the cosmic space wolf, tranquility is the ultimate ascension, representing guardianship and stewardship of existence, eternity, and all things and all realms. And existence, the mother of the cosmic pups, the cosmic space wolf tranquility guarding existence, and the pups, the Zephyracker, Eloria, Solarnex, taking their place in the ever-expanding realms, and defending beyond the creatures from beyond. The gates to the extent. This is Dirk Jensen. You're watching The Dirk Jensen Show.